Hey guys, welcome in Mastering Angular 15 from Beginners to Advanced series. In today's lecture, we will talk about standalone components, which introduced in Angular 15. These standalone components provide a simplified way to build Angular applications, and we can have standalone components, directives, and pipes, aim to streamline the authoring experience by reducing the need for ng modules. Existing applications can optionally and incrementally adopt the new standalone style without any breaking changes. Now, what is standalone component actually? A standalone component is a type of component which is not part of any Angular module. Before Angular 15, every component was a part of any module, but in Angular 15, modules becomes optional, so we could have standalone components. Next, we need to see how we can create standalone components. For that, we need to write this command ng generate component minus minus standalone. First, let's see how we can create our existing component standalone. This is our existing view student component, and I'm going to change it to standalone component. For that, I'm going to write standalone true. After making it standalone, next what we need to do, we need to go to the app.module.ts and remove this view student component from the declaration, but add it in the imports, exactly like we add modules here. Now this view student component becomes our standalone component. This is the way we can make our existing component to standalone. But if I want to create a component being standalone, then I can run this command ng generate component, and now I have to give the name of this component standalone student view, and next we need to write minus minus standalone. Now this component is by default standalone, and Angular CLI will not add it into any module. As you can see, our standalone student view component is created. Here this standalone is true, and it's not even import in our module.ts file. Now if we talk about the advantages of standalone components, first advantage is lazy loading. Now like modules, a standalone component can also be lazy loaded. Second, it is easy to create shared component using standalone components. Then by using standalone component, we can also remove the module overhead, and also by using this standalone component, we need to load only those components which are needed. So the conclusion is, this version 15 of Angular introduced standalone components as an easy way to build module-less applications. One of the benefits of standalone component is that they make Angular easier for new developers to learn and use, as they do not require any understanding of the ng module concept. And this is it for today. Hope you understand this entire lecture. If you have any question or query, you can ask in comments. But if this lecture is helpful for you, then guys, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.